Welcome back to Kindergarten. Let's learn.
Animals Kingdom. Animals Kingdom is divided into two main branches, that is, vertebrates and invertebrates. First, we will discuss about the vertebrates. What are vertebrates? The animals with the backbone are called vertebrates. That includes snake, cow, frog, fish, birds, and many more. Vertebrates are divided into 5 main groups, that is, fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. Fish, the first group of the vertebrates. Fish are the animals that live in water. They breathe through gills, they lay eggs, their skin is covered with scales, and they are cold-blooded animals. The second group of the vertebrates is amphibians. Amphibians are the animals that live in land and water. They breathe through their skin and lungs. They lay eggs in water and they have a moist and slippery skin. Also, they are cold-blooded animals. The third group of the vertebrates is reptiles. Some of reptiles live in water and some on land. They breathe through their lungs. They lay eggs on land. They have a dry skin covered with scales, and also they are cold-blooded animals. The fourth group of the vertebrates is bird. Most of the birds live on the land. They breathe through lungs. They lay eggs on the land. Their skin is covered with the feathers and they are warm-blooded animals. The fifth group of the vertebrates is mammals. Mammals live on land. They breathe through their lungs. They give birth to their babies. Their skin is covered with the hairs and mammals are warm-blooded animals.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe.